Yeah, they dropped down. That's where they dropped down. They still dropped down.
Might as well we don't drop. Man. Of all things, on a night like this, my ride to work decided, oh, I'm gonna leave anyway, so be outside and ready for me to pick you up. I'm sorry, but all I have to say is, I never thought I'd be saying this, but really, don't be out here for this shit. Yeah, but that was like 5-10 minutes ago. That was like 5 or 10 minutes ago. Now, who knows where it could be now? Yeah, I know. That's why I'm taping this shit. As I grab my camera phone and start filming. I just hope that tornado don't touch down.
Hey, this here's supposed to last until 1 in the morning.
That's a thunderstorm watch.
Yeah, still.
This tornado warning, though, is only supposed to be for about another 10 minutes. It's only supposed to be another 10 minutes for this morning, though. But I'm not really seeing much of anything right now. Which is actually not a bad thing, either. But this one just came out of nowhere. It started with the regular thunderstorm watch and then boom, a tornado warning. We didn't even get a tornado watch. Oh, well, at least my ride's here, so I'll see you later. This is me signing off.